The most clever psychology facts. 1. Once you have true feelings for someone, it will always be there. You may not like them anymore, but you still care. 2. 90% of people laugh even harder when they try to explain why they are laughing. 3. Cheating is directly linked to lack of intelligence, insecurity, low self-esteem, and an overall sense of unhappiness with one's own life. 4. People look more attractive when they speak about the things they are really interested in. 5. Seeing someone you love with their hair wet makes you more attracted. 6. The more loyal you are, the more disappointment you encounter and experience. 7. Going through sad experiences actually makes us smarter, and through that, we become better thinkers. 8. People are less likely to help someone in need when there are others present because they assume someone else will take action. 9. The more decisions we make in a day, the harder it becomes to make choices later on, leading to poorer decision-making. 10. Pretending to be confident can lead to genuine feelings of self-assurance, as if your brain is convinced by your own performance, famously known as fake it till you make it. 11. You never really know the true value of a moment until it becomes a memory.